Hey everybody, this is a 87 through 90 LT500R wiring harness. Start at the front here. Here's your headlight connector. It's actually ceramic, not plastic, so it won't melt in case you get a bad connection and start to get an arc in there. Here's your coil, ground wire, your light switch, kill switch, and all your hookups here. Just like factory, everything's there. Same connectors, same plug. And then leading back, you're going to have your stator right here, your CDI, and then all the way at the back, you'll have your factory hookup for your tail light. When you get this harness, you're going to notice there's one ground wire missing. And what it did, I left it out here just so it looks a little bit cleaner. As long as you have a good ground on this one here, you're fine. The factory puts a couple of them in there in case one of them becomes dirty. And you have, like you have a backup. But I just left that out so it looks a little cleaner. Also, the coil on this one comes out in the front. It doesn't come out back here like the stock one does. And it's just a little bit longer so that it should reach fine for you. It just makes it look a lot cleaner than having another set of wires coming out here. And they just run down the neck of the bike anyway. There's no point that I saw having them come out way back here. So if you have any issues with it, please let me know. I will make it good for you, but it's going to work great. Link to purchase will be down in the description. And you guys have a good day. If you need to reach me, you can reach me right there. Shoot a text to that phone number. Text the word harness for the quickest reply. I try to take very good care of my customers that purchase from me. Customer service is very important. There's my website. It'll just take you to my eBay store. If you go to that from a computer, it'll be better. You can find what you're looking for because you can actually go to category view and find what you're looking for a lot faster. You guys have a good day.